This boat is a 2021 Sea Ray. The model is the 250 SLX. This boat has the upgraded 350 horsepower engine. The engine is a MerCrusier 6.2 liter MPI 350 horsepower V8. The outdrive is a Bravo 3 with twin counter-rotating stainless steel propellers. The boat has the premier stereo upgrade. It also has the blue LED lighting package and blue through-hull underwater lights. It has the electric-powered anchor windlass with a stainless steel anchor. This 250 SLX has the Simrad Select Response system with dual 12-inch display screens. It has a SeaDek flooring inside the cockpit and on the swim platform. It also has the head interior upgrade with the vacuum flush head and holding tank. This boat is located on Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey, and at spring launching had just around 50 hours on the hour meter.